The year is 1901, and sponge divers are working off the coast of Greece. They're seeking out underwater treasures near the small island of Antikythera, hoping to find artifacts to sell to museums or private collectors. One diver remembers seeing an unusual lump of metal amidst the coral and sponges. He pulls it from the ocean floor, thinking it might be a broken piece of pottery. But as it turns out, it's something much older and much more advanced. Let's dive into the incredible discovery of the world's first computer. 1801, sponge divers off the coast of Greece discovered what looked like a lump of corroded bronze. But hidden inside was something no one expected, a 2,000-year-old machine that could track the sun, the moon, and even predict eclipses. How is that possible? Most people assume ancient civilizations didn't have advanced mechanical technology, gears, dials, and precision engineering. That sounds like the industrial age, not ancient Greece. But this mysterious device, known as the Antikythera Mechanism, was built over 2,000 years ago, and it works like a mechanical analog computer. So who made it, and what else have we forgotten? How did we get here? In 1902, the object was identified as a bronze gear. In 1905, X-rays revealed a second gear, and the artifact became known as the Antikythera Mechanism after the Greek island where it was found. So what does the device actually do? It contains over 30 bronze gears, and it can predict solar and lunar eclipses, moon phases, and planetary positions. It also tracks the Metonic cycle, a 19-year cycle used in calendars and astrology. We don't know exactly how it works, but based on its inscriptions, scientists believe the device was used to tell the date and time, and perhaps to display astronomical information for an observer. The most shocking part: nothing this complex wouldn't appear again until medieval astronomical clocks, almost 1,000 years later. This suggests the Greeks understood mechanics at a much deeper level than history has taught us. Who built it? Scholars believe it may have been linked to the astronomer Hipparchus or the mathematician Archimedes. Both men lived in the Greek kingdom of Rhodes, which was also home to a school of engineering. Rhodes was a hub of astronomy and engineering in the ancient world. But ultimately, the Antikythera Mechanism remains a mystery. Since its discovery, the Antikythera Mechanism has undergone several investigations. In the 2000s, 3D X-ray scans and digital reconstructions revealed stunning details. Scientists identified over 2,000 fragments and reconstructed the device in its near entirety. What they found was a device with a high degree of technical sophistication. It had a main dial to set the date and multiple pointers to show the month, phase of the moon, and other astronomical data. Today, scientists believe the Antikythera Mechanism was probably a teaching tool. It's an astrological calculator or a calendar-aligned planetarium. But its true purpose may never be known. And there's still one big mystery. If the Greeks built one of these devices, could they have built more? Did this technology get lost in history, or was it deliberately erased? The Antikythera Mechanism challenges our understanding of ancient science and technology. It doesn't fit into the traditional narrative of linear progress. Instead, it suggests that the ancient world was far more advanced than we give it credit for. It also opens the door to other lost sciences and forgotten capabilities. What other technologies were lost to time? The Antikythera Mechanism was built 2,000 years ago, and yet could perform calculations more advanced than anything else for a millennium. Its existence rewrites what we thought we knew about ancient science. But what does this mean for us today? As we continue to uncover the secrets of the past, we must remain open to the possibility that ancient civilizations had more advanced knowledge than we previously thought. The Antikythera Mechanism serves as a reminder that there is still so much we do and know about the world, and that there is always more to discover. If this machine survived hidden for 2,000 years, what else might be buried beneath the sand or lost to time? Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below. What's the most unbelievable ancient invention you've heard of?